Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to add slow motion and fast motion effect in our video clip. So let's get started. Now we play the sample video now.
That's Parliament, and I was reading a book because it's 2017 about,
This is a video that I am going to be doing a test for the slow motion and fast motion. At first, we add fast motion effect in this clip. To do this, right click and click Add Clip Speed. In the Properties tab, we see our normal speed is 1.00 and our total video duration for 1 minute and 22 seconds and frame rate is 14. To add fast motion, we simply change our speed from 1 to 1.5 and press enter. After adding fast speed, we see our total video duration is now for 1 minute and 1 second. Now our video is speeding it up. Now our video clip is speeding it up. Let's play.
For the New Year's, a lot of people get lonely. I think the most suicides, the most breakups are all in December.
It would be funny to fast forward his voice or slow down his voice. Now, if we want to add slow motion effect in this video clip, then simply change this speed from 1.50 to 0.50. Here we see our video duration is for 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Let's play the video clip now.
2017 about, I was thinking on New Year's resolution.
Here you see the difference between slow motion and fast motion. We can easily do this by changing this video clip speed. To back to default, we set our speed 1.0 and press enter. Now our video is back to normal. So guys, in this way we can easily add slow motion and fast motion effect in our video. Thanks for watching.